Meaning of honeyed.
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 Honeyed. The term honeyed is an adjective that describes something that has a sweet taste, smell or quality, much like the taste of honey itself. It can also suggest a pleasing or gentle manner of speech or behavior, similar to the smoothness and comfort that honey imparts. This word may be used to describe a wide range of things, such as a person's voice, a song, a fragrance, or even food. In essence, honeyed evokes a positive and gratifying experience, eliciting feelings of pleasure, joy, and satisfaction.